Natalia is your daughter?
Yes.
So, will you marry me?
I would be honored to be your husband.
Congratulate me, Mama. JR and I are getting married. Oh my God. Emma! Emma, baby, it's Mommy. Can you hear me? Oh my God. Emma! You can hear Mommy. Answer me, okay?
Gotta wait for Zach. Don't even think of doing anything crazy like going towards the light. You even see a glimmer, you turn around and come back. Do you hear me? Come back to me. To Zach. To your boys. To the people who love you.
Nose, fingers, toes, everything accounted for.
God, she's perfect, isn't she? You're so beautiful. What a world to be born into.
I'm sorry I lied, Angela. I should have told you.
Is Natalia allergic to anything? Is she on any medication?
She's allergic to penicillin. She had a sinus operation when she was little.
Anything else? I have to operate on your daughter.
Angela.
Of course you're getting married. And the wedding's gonna be beautiful.
We're getting married here, Mama. I love JR so much, I don't want to waste another second.
Neither do I. Well, I think it's a fine idea.
I just want you to be happy.
I'm coming back.
Didn't even get to ask her to be my matron of honor.
I'll take care of it. Okay. I'll grab my best man while I'm at it. I'll be right back.
Okay, I'm okay. I'm all right. I'm all right.
You gotta breathe.
I'm all right.
Krystal, you can't fall apart every time you look at her.
My daughter is dying.
But she doesn't know that. She can't know that. You have been by her side, right or wrong, good and bad, since she took her first breath. Can you do this for her now?
I cannot slap on a smile and act like everything's fine while she pledges till death do us part.
Hey, what's a wedding? She's gonna get a wedding. And everybody's gonna be happy. We'll do this together, Krystal. We'll pack all the years of love that we have for Babe into this wedding and the years that we don't have. And we'll celebrate and we'll love her and we'll cry later. Can you do it? David, I have a wedding to plan.
Oh, baby.
What can I do?
Tell me how I watched my child die.
I thought you didn't believe me.
Right now, this is the only lead that we have. Now, which tunnel access do you think this guy's been using?
There's a panel. Behind this. She must be so afraid, right? She's scared of the dark.
We're gonna find her. We're gonna find her, okay?
Why would somebody do this? Why would somebody take her child? Still no signal?
No.
Kendall's okay, Zach. She has to be. But Kendall's one of the strongest people I know. She'll make it.
Not without the surgery, she won't.
Joe and Frankie said it could kill her.
Waiting could kill her.
I won't do it. I won't make that choice for Kendall, Zach, the boys.
Well, it's not you that who.
Jake, I just need some time.
She doesn't have time.
Okay, what if I say yes, go ahead and do it, and she doesn't make it? And she dies on the table. How do I explain that to Zach, to Erica?
Well, there are risks either way.
I choose wrong. Kendall dies. Zach will never forgive me. I'll never forgive myself.
You okay?
Two things I know about my sister. She's strong. She hates surprises. So you decide when the time is right to tell her that you're the baby's biological father, and until then, it's our secret.
Oh my God, a helicopter.
Hey! Over here!
Anything I can do?
Pray.
Yeah, I can do that.
Dr. White, call your office.
Oh, Ted, I really messed up.
Well, it was your fault that tornado tore Pine Valley to pieces.
Natalia.
Girl at the bar, what about her?
She was hurt really bad. Angela's operating.
She's in the best hands possible.
I should have told her. I should have...
Dr. Kravitz, you have a visitor in the main office. Dr. Kravitz?
I should have...
I'm missing something.
I convinced myself I could make this work. I could pull something out of a hat. Without hurting too many people too much. And it just came back, bit me in the ass.
You're involved with Natalia?
Natalia's my daughter, Tad.
You know, on our 50th, we'll be talking about this wedding. Not the first one, not the two at the house, but the one right here at the hospital. The day the tornado swept us off our feet. Just like you've always swept me off mine.
Stop.
What? It's too much.
Never. Mama? Mama, come in.
hope I'm not interrupting the big wedding plans.
No. JR was just on the hunt for a minister.